Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. To begin a great relationship, know what you want. Know what the needs of your body are, what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women, and some of them will make a good match for you, and others won't. The two of you need to be like a key and a lock, a match that works. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 5, NASDAQ flat, S&P's up $1.50, gold contract flat at $1,304 an ounce. We have silver down 4 cents at $18.37 an ounce. Platinum up $4, 1,000 even. Copper up a penny at $2.26 a pound. Light sweet crude down 56 cents, trading at $44.10 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note up 7 ticks, 130.08. 30-year bond up 20 ticks, 163.11. Both notes and bonds continue on higher price, lower yield. King dollar down 126 ticks, trading at 97.07. The euro is at $1.11, and the yen is at 103.10. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so we're coming into Brexit Day of June 24th, and the SPY. We're at 208.91. We've done 70 million shares out here today, and we'll see whether we can reject the lows of yesterday, which is the 208.46. You're at 208.89. What it looks like here, folks, is that you're still going to get a bounce in this market. Why? Because the way that we're coming into the Brexit area is dramatically much lighter volume. We're talking about, on a weekly basis, we're going for about 500 million shares versus 817 million. So the kicker is going to be, can the S&P basically close up 40, 50 cents? Right now, the SPY is only up 14 cents. The SPY and as well as the Dow Industrials, they're set up the same way. Dow Industrials are down $12 right now. You're into 17,917, and 17,946 is the top of that area. NDX 100. Well, here, actually, let's go to the composite first. So what the composite did yesterday was this. Composite takes out its swing low from the 12th of September and has the volume on the takeout. Bottom line, that's basically telegraphing that, guess what? The swing low from the 27th of June wants to get hit. That number is 45.74, and that's a long way down from where we are. I still expect that you're going to see a bounce out here, and that bounce more than likely is going to start inside the NDX 100, the 3 Qs. So if we take a look at the 3 Qs, what you're going to see is this. You're down 23 cents right now. You're trading at $113.83, and a close above $113.63 is going to be a rejection of lower price with lighter volume, subtle, no doubt. And this is what it is. The week of September 16th, we had made that low of $113.63. We did that with 180 million shares. Well, we have 126 million thus far. Next hour can do maybe 5 million at the most. So bottom line, if I add 5 million, that's 131 million versus 180. That sets up, I suspect, a bounce. That B to C, I'm expecting a B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. So it's going to be wild as we come into the election day on Tuesday. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, we've had a flat day out here in gold today. We have had a low of $12.95. You get a high of $13.08. You have 198,000 contracts traded. Now, what you have, which is really cool, is this. When gold broke down on the 4th of October, we went from 13.15 to 12.69 in a heartbeat. We did that with 351,000 contracts, big number. We came up on Wednesday, and we came up with 242,000 contracts. Thursday, we did 229,000 contracts. We're going to do 200,000 contracts today. That is how you have to come into a downdraft. You have to come in with more force than the downdraft. That's what's happening on the daily. That's what's happening on the weekly. What you can expect here, I expect we're going to see a little more cause building to get up and over that whole area. Bonds, the 10-year note, what you have with the 10-year note is this. 10-year note continues to want higher price, lower yield. The 10-year note right now is trading at $130.09 ticks. We got back inside the higher range being $129.26. That sets up that, number one, your closest swing point is only 6 ticks away. It's 130.15. We're coming into that with dramatically higher volume. That swing has 1 million contracts. We're coming into it with 1.2 million. On Wednesday, we did 1.4 million. So I expect Monday we're going to get up and over that level, and it's going to go for this 131.23 area. 30-year is having a harder time getting back inside the higher range. The 30-year right now is trading at 163.12. That has to get up into the 164.13. Now, I expect we're going to see it because the 10-year is not going to just wander on up there by itself. We'll see how this shakes out at the beginning of next week. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar, folks, is setting up an ABC structure on the way down. King Dollar right now is trading at 97.06. What King Dollar had done is this. King Dollar had gone topside October 25th. It looks like it's made its high up there, had broken topside. Then what is it? It come back inside its lower range, and you're back inside this with some volume. So I suspect King Dollar also wants to set up a B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. We go take a look at the small caps, the Russell 2000. Russell 2000, this is pretty cool. Now, the Russell 2000, folks, okay, has been leading the way down. The Russell 2000, when you take a look at this, and this is pretty wild, the Russell 2000 topped out over a year ago. When you take a look at the Russell 2000 topped out in June of 2015. Bottom line, it let us down the last 3 weeks. Now what the Russell has also done, the Russell has bounced on lighter volume, and guess what? That is setting up the B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. So bottom line, you can expect more volatility. I expect we get a little push higher into these markets as we close. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. We got a great guest for you. We got Ellen Hirsch DeHaan. We're going to be talking condominiums. We're going to be talking HOAs. We're going to be right back, folks.